Well, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to share with you this, oh my God, amazing antique shop find here in Daegu. This that you are looking at, that is not painting. This is hand done silk embroidery on a silk satin background. And this, my friends, is a whole screen. Look at this amazing piece. It is immense. I cannot convey to you the big space that it covers. I mean, look at these crazy little pheasanty things here. And a crazy little child who's apparently video bombing. Little ham. But I mean, gosh, look at the detail, the silk shading. I can tell you that there are going to be new Creative Contessa silkwork projects in the future, inspired by this amazing piece of art. And I was informed by my ambassador to Korean culture, Kyung-hee, that apparently 30 or 40 years ago, people used to get these as wedding gifts from their parents. And then apparently they started throwing them away because they were considered old-fashioned. Well, my friends, this is now going to be decorating this wall of my apartment. And we will put our silk borio in front of it. And this is going to be quite a gorgeous space. Yes, indeed.